This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device is updated and you have a backup. This prevents surprises. Next, open the app library by swiping left past all home screens until folders appear. Once there, scan and decide which apps you want hidden from the home screen. Make sure to note apps that appear in categories versus an alphabetical list so you know where to find them when hidden. Now, tap and hold an app icon to begin the hiding process. You long press any app icon and look for the Remove or Edit option. This gives you the choice to delete or remove from the home screen. Select Remove from home screen to hide it. Do not delete unless you want it gone. Once hidden, check the app library. Use the search bar or browse categories to confirm the app is still installed. If you prefer multiple apps hidden, repeat quickly using multi-select gestures when available to speed up the process. You finish by organizing any remaining apps and testing access. Use the app library search to open hidden apps and ensure workflows aren't broken. If you want an app back, press and drag it from the library to your home screen. If an app seems missing, make sure parental controls or restrictions aren't blocking it, then check the App Store to reinstall if necessary. Finally, restart your device if visibility issues persist. That often clears temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.